Welcome. In this video, we will explore SQL window functions, specifically row number, rank, dense rank, lead, and lag, which are powerful tools for data analysis. Window functions perform calculations across a specified range of rows related to the current rows. They allow you to analyze data without collapsing rows, making them essential for more complex queries. The basic syntax for a window function includes the function name followed by the over clause, which defines the partitioning and ordering of the rows. Understanding this syntax is crucial for using window functions effectively. Row number assigns a unique sequential integer to rows within a partition of a result set. It is often used for pagination or to identify unique records. Here is an example of how to use row number in a query. Rank provides a rank to each row within a partition with gaps in the rank values when there are ties. This is useful for ranking items in competitions. Let us look at an example of rank in action. Dense rank also ranks rows within a partition but does not leave gaps when there are ties. This function is ideal for scenarios where you want to consecutive ranking values. Here is how to use dense rank in a query. Lead allows you to access data from subsequent rows in the same result set without using a self-join. This is useful for comparing current row values with future row values. Here is an example of how to implement lead. Lag is the counterpart to lead and provides access to data from previous rows. This function is valuable for time series analysis for comparing current values with past values. Let us see an example of lag in use. Window functions are versatile and can be applied in various scenarios such as calculating running totals, moving averages, or making comparisons between current and previous values. Understanding these use cases enhances your analytical capabilities. While window functions are powerful, they can impact query performance, especially with large datasets. It is essential to understand when to use them judiciously and optimize your queries for better efficiency. In conclusion, SQL window functions like row number, rank, dense rank, lead, and lag are invaluable for complex data analysis. I encourage you to practice using these functions to enhance your SQL skills. Thank you for watching. Need your comments, subscribe and share.